Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a website which is called as WebcamToy.com. So with the help of this website you can just take pictures from your web camera, and this website is made up of Node.js Express, and it uses the concept of WebRTC. And WebRTC, it's the same concept which is used by many web applications which are using the web camera, or such as video chatting applications. So basically this is WebcamToy.com, and it enables access of your web camera, so you need to allow the permission. So I have already allowed it, so you will see it is taking this page is accessing the camera here. Now you can see with the help of this button, if you click this, it will take this picture here, you can see. And now the good thing is that you can just share this picture on Twitter, Google Photos, or Tumblr, or you can even save this photo on the local storage as well. So as you click this, a picture is stored on your computer, so you can just open this, and you will see, if you open this, the picture will open. This has got the extension JPG, so you can see, as simple as that. And you can even apply some filters as well, so it offers some filters. You can see this is the option, and there is also a settings option. If you click this option, you can just make this square, just, and then you can just also use whatever camera that you want. You can even make this as full screen as well. And now these are the filters that you can apply here. This is a normal filter, and you can just scroll here and you will see all the filters that it provides. So you can see that, you can see all the filters. Now you can just, so this is really a good website for if you want to take pictures here. You can just go to WebcamToy, and it is made up of, it's an open source application which is made up of Node.js Express, and it uses socket.io and WebRTC. So the link is there inside the video description. You can check out the website. So color filters are also supported here. You can see, you can try out various colors. So you can see, and at last you can check out my website freemediatools.com. If you want, you can just go to this is my website where I add daily tools related to audio, video, and image. The link will be there inside the video description. You can just go to it and check out, and I will be seeing you in the next video.